Have you ever wondered how your smartphone understands your voice commands? Or how Netflix recommends your next favourite show? It's not magic, it's all thanks to artificial intelligence. AI is everywhere, subtly shaping our lives, yet its journey is far more complex than just algorithms and data. Join us on a journey through the history of AI and discover the brilliant minds that brought this incredible technology to life. The idea of intelligent machines isn't new. It goes back thousands of years. Ancient Greek myths tell tales of automata robots created by gods like Hephaestus and Daedalus. These early visions reflected a human fascination creating life and intelligence. But the real story of modern AI begins in the mid-20th century. In 1950, British mathematician Alan Turing revolutionized the conversation by posing a fundamental question: can machines think? He proposed the Turing test, a way to determine if a machine's behaviour is indistinguishable from that of a human. This test laid the groundwork for defining machine intelligence. The field officially gained its name in 1956 at the Dartmouth workshop. Led by computer scientist John McCarthy, this pivotal event coined the term artificial intelligence and ignited a new era of research, moving AI from theory to practice. The early years were filled with optimism. Researchers focused on creating expert systems, programs designed to solve specific problems by mimicking human decision-making. Think of them as specialized knowledge bases, used for things like medical diagnosis or geological exploration. This era also saw the emergence of early neural networks, systems inspired by the structure of the human brain, designed to learn from data. However, the initial hype led to promises that early technology couldn't deliver. Computing power was limited and data was scarce. By the 1970s and 80s, the optimism faded, funding dried up, and AI entered what is known as the AI winter. The dream of true machine intelligence seemed distant. The AI winter finally ended thanks to two major shifts: the explosive growth of big data and a massive increase in computing power. These advancements fueled the deep learning revolution. Deep learning, a sophisticated form of neural network, enabled AI to process vast amounts of information and recognize patterns with unprecedented accuracy. This breakthrough has led to an explosion of AI applications we see today. From the image recognition in your camera app and the language translation in your browser to self-driving cars and powerful tools for personalized medicine, AI has transformed from a theoretical concept into a practical reality. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it brings both significant challenges and enormous opportunities. We must grapple with serious ethical considerations. Algorithmic bias, where AI trained on skewed data perpetuates societal prejudices. Concerns about displacement as automation increases, and the critical need to protect privacy as AI gathers more personal data. Yet AI also offers solutions to some of humanity's most pressing problems. We're using AI for social good, accelerating research to tackle climate change, developing new drugs and improving healthcare, and personalizing education to meet the unique needs of every student. The story of AI is far from over. We are just beginning to understand its potential impact on our future. AI's role will only grow, driving greater automation, creating hyper-personalized experiences, and perhaps even leading to machines capable of independent thought. We face profound ethical and philosophical questions about what it means to coexist with advanced AI. The future isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about how we can manage this powerful technology. The critical next step is ensuring the responsible development of AI. guaranteeing it benefits all of humanity and reflects our values. The journey from ancient myths to modern deep learning is a testament to human ingenuity. AI isn't just a technological tool, it's a reflection of our quest for understanding intelligence itself. If you found this journey through the history of AI insightful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the technology shaping our world. What do you think the next major breakthrough in AI will be? Let us know in the comments below.